Good day. Now let's have this vector calculation, and let's use this Casio Swiss calculator in order to solve this one. Let's have this given vectors here. As you can see, we have this given vectors. We have three given vectors here. What we do is to insert the values of the vectors here in our calculator. In order to insert those given vectors, what we do is to kindly click this menu and click this number 5 vector, and then as you can see here, we have three given vectors, so we can use one vector A, vector B, and vector C to input those values. So what we do here is just simply click number 1 to insert this first dimension of vectors. As you can see, we have options here. The 2 dimensions or the 3 dimensions, but this given vector here is only 2 dimensions, so we just simply click number 2, and then after that, let's input the value. Let's click 3, then equals, and then 4, then equals. Now we have this given vector, the vector A, and what we do is just simply click this all clear, and then to add the second vector, let's click this option here, and then let's click 2 to edit the vector. Then we can click number 2 to insert the values of vector B. Now let's click the dimension, and since the dimension here is 2, just simply click 2. Now let's insert the values. 6, then equals, then negative 3, equals. Now then click all clear. As you can see, the given vectors A and vectors B are already saved here in our calculator. Now let's insert the third vector, or the vector C. Again, click the option button here, then click the edit vector, then let's click this vector C, the number 3, and then since it has a dimension here which is 3, it includes 3 dimension, so what we have is just simply click number 3. Now let's insert the values here. We have negative 3 equals 4 equals 2, then equals. So that's how we input the values of the given vectors in our calculator. Let's click all clear here. Now let's perform here some basic example. Let's try to solve the vector addition. In order to solve for vector addition, since we already saved the values of the vectors here, so you can see here, this one is the vector B and this one is the vector A. So let's try to add this one. So in order to add this one, let's just simply click this option, and then kindly click first the vector B, which is 6 and negative 3. So let's simply click number 4 because it is the vector B, and then just simply click plus, and then click option and click the vector A here, since 3 and 4 is the vector A, so click number 3, so then equal sign. As you can see, here's the result of our vectors addition. We have 9 and 1. So that's how we do the vector addition in this Casio Swiss calculator. Now let's do the cross product. Okay, let's click all clear here. So now let's cross product this one. So you can see this given is the vector B and this one is the vector A. So what we do is just simply click this option, and then let's click number 4 for the vector B and this multiply sign, and then click option again and this one, then let's equal sign. As you can see, this will be the result of our cross product. So we have this values. Now let's try this dot product. So it's dot product. Let's try this dot product. In order to solve this dot product, what are we going to do is just simply click again the option and then kindly click first the given vectors, the vector v. So let's click 4 and then let's click option again. And as you can see here in the calculator, there's a scroll down here. So we can click this down part. As you can see, there's a dot product here. So let's click 2. Now, the dot product symbol is now seen in this calculator. And then click option again to add the other given vector, which is the vector A. Kindly click 3. And then let's do the equal sign. So you can see the dot product of this given vector and this given vector is 6. So that's how we do the dot product in this calculator. Now, let's have this absolute value or the magnitude of the vector. In order to solve for the magnitude of the vector, let's just simply click shift and then click this ABS here, as you can see, and then click option, then click the given vector. As you can see, the given vector here is what we insert in the vector B. So just simply click 4 and then let's click the equal sign, and the magnitude of this given vector is this one, 6.708 or 6.721. So that's how we do or how we use the Casio ClassWiz calculator in order to solve vector calculation. I hope you learned everything. Thank you.